heat their shoes before a game? This may sound outrageous, but it's actually a secret trick of the players. After all, the worst thing in the world, nothing is more than new shoes riding foot bubbles. To avoid this situation, players put their sneakers in the microwave. Heat for a few seconds. Microwave oven heating can make the material of sneakers warm and soft. Becomes easier to bend.